tractor pulling lawnmower. This is my first place trophy for at Fenland Falls pull. This is my Georgian Base Team Show second place, and second place at the Sutton Fair. This is my tractor. It's got 11 horse Briggs and Stratton in it. Try to show you that right there. 11 horse. I got the Canada flags on it. It's all decked out for pulling. This is another flag of mine. Goes in this little hole here. And the blows drying. Yeah, those are my ribbons in. And I got...
He's gonna lay a little rubber later on at the truck